So check us out here at MGMClassicCars.com, where we have over 200 beautiful cars for sale, financing available. We got them all stacked and ready, guys, all detailed. They will be going through service department as well to make sure that everything is up front. So check that out on all of our videos. Don't forget to check out our website at MGMClassicCars.com. We do have awesome, great financing available. That rates start at 6.99% as of today, November 18th, 2025. And let's get ready for the next photo shoot, guys, and the video. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, Thomas here at MGM Classic Cars. And today I have this 1980 Chevrolet Corvette L-48. This is the 350 engine, numbers matching, 5.7 liter with original paint on the outside, automatic transmission, leather interior. The center caps for the wheels are coming in. I had to order those. They are coming in brand new. Nice car, guys. The history on this thing is a one family, from what we heard, one family owner, but a two owner car, if that makes sense. On the outside is in good condition. As you can see, the red paint, I don't see any blistering anywhere, anything like that. Nice leather interior. It's red on red, automatic, as you can see there. No cracks in the dash. You got tilt wheel. It's all clean in the back. Check out the engine compartment on my website at mgmclassiccars.com. And what's very interesting about this particular Corvette is the documentation. When the second owner received the vehicle, he started keeping tabs on everything as far as oil changes and stuff. So second owner in the family got it on 10/16/87, recorded all the odometer and everything that was done with the oil changes, and then continued, okay? Right there. So a lot of it is documented. You got the original 80 owner's manual with the car, as you can see there. So a lot of good history. You got telescopic wheel with the tilt wheel as well. And what's really, really interesting is the preserved miles of 27,406 original miles, guys. Got power windows, got cruise. Sounds great. Guys, listen, if you need financing for this beautiful, beautiful car, call me. Call me at 847-848-1850. You will need a credit score of about 620 to about a 770. You'll be about 8% interest rate on the vehicle, $2,000 down. Good credit, good job. Everything's based off your credit profile. Long-term payments. Low payments are available. You will be surprised at how low those payments are. So yeah, if you need that application, go to mgmclassiccars.com. And if you guys got a credit score of over 775, please reach out to me and I'll give you my Bankers Direct website for a no money down loan option. Rates start at 6.99. Okay, we'll talk soon. If you need delivery, call or text. Again, your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars.